Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So seeing this something went wrong error on Etsy usually means the app or website couldn't complete an action, such as loading pages, placing orders, or managing listings. So the good news, this error is typically temporary and easy to fix. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the something went wrong error on Etsy 2026 quickly and safely. So first thing first, refresh the page or app. So start with the simplest fix. So on mobile, for example, close Etsy app like this, okay, and reopen the app again. On desktop, on the other hand, refresh page and retry action. So temporary glitches often disappear instantly. You can also check your internet connection, okay, so unstable internet commonly causes this error, so try switching Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart router, or move closer to signal. So reload Etsy afterward, okay? You can also disable VPN or browser extensions, so security filters may conflict with Etsy. Turn off VPN services, ad blockers, privacy extensions, okay? And then after that, reload Etsy page. You can also update Etsy app or browser, so outdated software causes compatibility issues. So on the phone, updates Etsy from App Store or Google Play, and on the other hand updates a browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, okay, and retry action. Or you can log out and log in back, okay, so session errors can trigger this message. So log out of Etsy, close app, reopen Etsy, and log back in. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.